7 tips to help you buy a baby bottle warmer. It's not easy to get up at night to put your baby's cold bottles in a tub of hot water. Therefore, you may want to check out a baby bottle warmer instead. These devices can heat up the milk and baby food without any problem. So, these devices can make your life a lot easier. If you are going to purchase one, we suggest that you follow the tips given below. Suits your needs. A regular warmer heats up a milk bottle when you put it in the vessel of the device. You can also find some warmers that have batteries or heating elements in them. Some also feature a steam-based system. Aside from the regular devices, you can find some really complex ones. They have a cold section where you can store your stuff to keep it cold. If you have a car, you can buy a portable one that you can plug into the power pocket or cigarette lighter of your car. Before you buy one, make sure you consider your needs as well. For regular use, we suggest that you buy a durable unit. Right size. Ideally, you may want to opt for a unit that can accommodate any shape or size of baby bottle. In other words, no matter which type you go for, make sure it can work well with all of these sizes and shapes. Heats quickly. It's a good idea to choose a unit that can heat up quickly without killing nutrients or leaving spots behind. Here, it's important to keep in mind that breast milk tends to lose a great deal of nutrients when exposed to really high temperatures. Therefore, it's not a good idea to microwave your baby's milk. Automatic shut-off feature. If you are a busy mother, we suggest that you look for a unit that features an automatic shut-off feature. This feature prevents your baby milk from overheating, as extremely high temperature will destroy the essential nutrients found in the milk. So, it's a good idea to opt for a warmer that features a timer. Portable. If you travel a lot, make sure you get a portable unit. These units are compact and can fit in a diaper bag just fine. There are also some units that can be plugged into a vehicle. It's not a good idea to opt for a unit that's too large. Safe and durable. Make sure you consider the 2 primary features of a baby bottle warmer: safety and durability. If the unit is durable, it can stand the test of time no matter how much you use it. Easy to clean. If your unit has too many removable sections, know that it won't be easy to clean. Moreover, the bottle warmer should feature a simple interior, as it can be easy to wipe. After all, regular cleaning is a must if you want to avoid infections and diseases. So, make sure you keep these tips in mind the next time you go to the market to purchase a baby bottle warmer.